Social Studies Explore Review Homework. Put a check beside the correct response for each problem. Number 1. What were the goals of early European explorers? New lands for settlement, gold, glory, and God, new trade routes for Africa, gold, gain, and God. Number 2. How did Prince Henry of Portugal help increase European exploration? He paid for Christopher Columbus's voyage. He started a sailing school. He got charts from Asia. He improved the compass. Number 3. Christopher Columbus realized he was in India, sailed to the Americas 2 times, reported back to the King of Portugal about his discoveries, killed and enslaved Indians. Number 4. Which is not an early European explorer who visited the Americas? Jacques Cartier, Vasco Nunez de Balboa, Prince Henry the Navigator, Ferdinand Magellan. Number 5. Which is not an invention that helped early European explorers? Telescope, telegraph, compass, caravels. Number 6. Who is the first European to explore the New World? Leif Erikson, Francisco Pizarro, Christopher Columbus, Amerigo Vespucci. Number 7. Name some of the foods that were brought to the Old World from the New World in the Columbian Exchange. Corn, squash, carrots, rice, apples. Potatoes, squash, tomatoes, wheat, bananas. Squash, tomatoes, beets, oranges, grapes. Potatoes, corn, squash, beans, tomatoes. Number 8. How did the French treat the Native Americans? They enslaved them. They were friendly to them. They stole pelts from them. They killed many of them. Number 9. What was the most deadly weapon the Spanish brought? Guns, spears, smallpox, cannons. The Portuguese, number 10, the Portuguese claimed the land that is called blank today. Brazil, Mexico, Chile, Puerto Rico. Number 11. Why was Hernan Cortez able to conquer the Aztecs? The Aztec leader gave up his empire peacefully. Cortez had more soldiers than the Aztecs. The Inca helped Cortez conquer the Aztecs. Cortez had better weapons and Indian allies. Number 12. Which Spanish explorer conquered the Inca in Peru? Atahualpa, Francisco Pizarro, Amerigo Vespucci, Hernan Cortez. Number 13. What did Jacques Marquette and Louis Joliet have in common with Robert de La Salle? They all explored the Mississippi River and stopped near the future site of Memphis. They all explored the Tennessee River and visited the future site of Knoxville. They all explored the Mississippi River and visited Reelfoot Lake. They all explored the Missouri River and stopped near the future site of Kansas City. Number 14. What happened to the people of the Roanoke colony? They disappeared and no one knows why. They were killed by Indians. They sailed back to England. They were captured by the Spanish. Number 15. What were explorers such as Hernando de Soto and Francisco Vázquez de Coronado searching for in North America? The Silver Mountains of Cusco, a new trade route to China, beaver furs and silver, the 7 cities of gold.